Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to fix iPhone keyboard emoji not showing. So if you discover that your iPhone keyboard emojis are not coming up just like this, and now you are looking for a way to fix it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. With the emoji keyboard, you can just go to your iMessage and send emoji, or while using the WhatsApp application or any chat or mobile chat application on your iPhone. But with the emoji keyboard missing, or you do not have this emoji icon on the iPhone keyboard, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do when you discover that your iPhone keyboard emoji is not showing or coming up is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. While on the settings page, just scroll down, click on general. Now once you selected general, scroll down the page until you see keyboard and then click on it. Now once you selected keyboard, here you have access to the keyboard configuration. Then click on keyboards. If emoji is missing in your own case here, then that shows you'll not be able to use emoji keyboard on your iPhone. So let's say you do not have the emoji keyboard added to the keyboards page. All you just need to do is go ahead and click on add new keyboard, then search for emoji. So this is going to pop the iPhone emoji you can add to your iPhone keyboard. Click on it. Then once added, you can now visit the keyboard page. Now when next you are typing on your iPhone like this, then you should see the keyboard icon at the bottom left. So go ahead and click on it. Once you press the iPhone keyboard button, you should see this pop. Then you can just select emoji to pop the emoji on your iPhone, or click on the icon, press and hold it like this to change between or switch between keyboard and emoji. So that is basically how to fix iPhone keyboard emoji not showing on your device. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.